In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Grammar Check on Gmail. Having a Grammar Check enabled in your Gmail not only ensures your writing is polished and professional, but also saves you the hassle of proofreading your emails multiple times. It's a simple, handy tool that can make your communication more effective and efficient. Let's dive into how you can set it up. First, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a small gear icon there. This is your settings menu, and it's where we're going to start our journey to enable grammar suggestions. Click on this gear icon, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can access and adjust a wide variety of settings to customize your Gmail experience. Once you're on the settings page, you'll find yourself in the General tab by default, which is exactly where we want to be. Now, scroll down the page. You'll need to navigate through a number of different settings options, but keep going until you come across the section labeled Grammar. This is where all the magic happens. If you notice that the grammar suggestions aren't turned on yet, you'll need to take a quick action to enable them. Simply click on the option that says Grammar Suggestions. This will toggle the feature on and ensure that Gmail starts checking for grammar issues in your future emails. Now, before we finish up, there's one last step to make sure these changes are saved and applied. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. There, you'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click this button to ensure that your new settings are locked in, and that's it. By following these steps, you've now successfully set up Grammar Check on your Gmail. This small adjustment will greatly enhance the quality of your emails, catching those pesky grammar errors before you hit send. You'll find yourself spending less time proofreading, which means more time for focusing on crafting the perfect message. It's a simple yet powerful tool that adds a layer of professionalism to your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Gmail experience even better. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.